Just a quick video on my Trading 212 stock size update of where we are. I own BP. I bought these stocks as it's a great dividend payer, and also there's a possibility of it being taken over by Shell. But I'm invested in BP because oil is going nowhere. We're still going to need oil. COCA-COLA. Everyone knows Coca-Cola pays a great dividend. Realty income. This is a REIT, real estate investment trust, where they invest in properties, commercial properties in the USA that pay rent, and this rent is given back to me in the form of dividends every month. Vanguard, FTSE All World Index, high yield. These are a group of stocks of companies throughout the world who pay a higher than average dividend, and this is all grouped together under an exchange traded fund in the Vanguard FTSE All World, and it's paid out in the form of dividend every quarter. Consolidated Edison, they supply electric, gas and hot water in the USA. Everyone needs this, and it's they've consistently increased their dividend payout. And I've got two what you call pies, where I've grouped together my own group of shares. Every time I make an investment, the investment is split equally amongst the holdings. The one I call Join the Wealthy, which is a group of 10 plus banks, which obviously, if you know anything in the financial world, banks make money by lending money, and they certainly do. So I've invested in banks and hopefully going to reap some of the benefits, which I've started to do by getting dividend payouts, and I've had a slight increase in the value of my holding, which has gone up 2%. Another one I got is 50 stocks. These are Dividend Kings. These are stocks that have consistently paid out, or consistently increased their payout time upon time of dividends percentage year on year for at least 50 years. So every dividend payout they've made, they have increased the percentage year on year for at least 50 years. So it's nice, consistent, long-term dividend payout. These are all for my income, but at the moment I don't need the income, so I'm reinvesting back into these stocks. Then we've got some one more pie I've got is farmland, where I own two ETFs. Both of them invest in farmland in America. You cannot create more land, and these REITs basically get their income from the rental income that they let the land out to farmers that they own. So indirectly I've got access to farmland, which I say it cannot be recreated, but you cannot buy farmland or access investments in farmland easily in the UK, and it's all taken up by private individuals and private funds. So then we've got three ETFs in commodities. Gold, Wisdom Tree, this gives me access to the physical price of gold, the ups and downs. At the moment it's on and up, I'm up 22%. Wisdom Tree heating oil, which is a nice way of making money. You buy this ETF when there's less demand for heating oil. That's summertime. Come winter time, the value of heating oil goes up due to increased demand. Then you sell, then you do the same again, rinse and repeat. Wisdom Tree WTI crude oil, this gives me access to the price of crude oil. With economic climate, price of oil goes up and down, up and down, up and down. This is a continuous thing, but oil is going nowhere. There'll still be a demand for oil, so you buy right, sell right, make a profit, rinse and repeat. So These are my holdings where I'm primarily looking for dividend income, which at the moment I don't need, but there will become a time when I need income, good safe income, and I will take it. But at the moment I'm reinvesting and buying more shares. The example is on BP. Recently had a dividend payout, and I have just placed an order for more shares, and as we can see, if we look, buy 64.51 at market value when the market's open tomorrow, as this stock is traded on the London Stock Exchange, which at the moment is closed because it's Sunday. So this is an update on my trading 212 stock size. So primarily set up to get good safe dividend income by a diverse range of methods, and also I've invested in some commodities which I can play the markets quite easily and take profits as and when. Hope you found this interesting. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.